Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Stacy, and today I have an unboxing of the Simply Gilded Advent Calendar. It's a 12-day Advent calendar. You're not going to see all 12 days in this video. I'm going to go ahead and split this up, and we're going to open days 1 through 6. So I'm thinking today is Tuesday the 13th, and we're going to run this through Sunday and post it on Sunday so that there isn't any spoilers out there. So if you're excited to see what I received in this box, stick around. Okay, let's get this box opened. And it's absolutely gorgeous. All pink inside, and the gold Simply Gilded logo there, and all these wonderful packages. So first thing on the top of the box is a journaling card in like this very light pink with this beautiful gold bow, and I love that. Look at all these goodies. Oh my goodness. There's some big packages in here. I'm not gonna really touch them because I want to be surprised, but I will say this is a fabric. It's a piece of fabric, so I have an idea of what might be in there. Okay, so I'm gonna take out 1 through 6. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, no peeking. You've got to see this in the next video. And let's put this aside. Okay. So 4, 5, 3, 2, and 1. This is a good photo op. Just gonna make sure I can get all those numbers in there. Okay, let's open package number. I don't want to ruin the package. It's so pretty. Almost had it. I love the scalloped edge of the envelope. That is gorgeous. Okay. We have some sticker sheets, and it looks like it might be a pack of deco. So we've got the mandalas and pink ribbons and florals. It says florals and bows. We've got some jasper heads, like seals, I think is what they're called. The Latte Love coffee cups, gorgeous. I think this is rose gold. We've got some heart seals, and then you've got juniper, very pretty. We've got some Happy New Year on that pink background. I think I picked these up, but I want to say they were on white and black backgrounds. And then your classic bow seals and that beautiful light pink. Oh, these are so cute. Cozy cabin with the moons and some snowflakes. Adorable. Stationery party. I love this set. And then some fireworks. So awesome. I love that. So that was day 1. let's get into day 2. Okay, so here's day 2 envelope. Feels like washi. Ooh, you get a twofer. Did get some washi. And it looks like gold bows on a white background. Let me go ahead and open this up. I might need to grab some scissors. These may not help. Does anybody else struggle with getting these opened? I can never find the perforation. Okay, as I suspected, this is a glitter washi. Okay, so it has a glitter texture to it, and I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but you've got that little glitter effect. So on a white background with gold bows, this is really, really pretty. Okay, and then we get sticky notes. These are really pretty. They're white with gold, gold lining. I love these. Very pretty. Okay, so into day number 3. Got this pink and white pinstripe envelope. Ooh, we get a full sticker sheet. Okay, so coordinating washi for this day has been packed in an upcoming day to prevent any damage to the stickers. So we know we're getting washi. That's awesome. So we get a postcard, and I'm excited because this tends to mean that we're going to get washi with this scene in the background. So I'm excited for that. And then a sticker kit. Okay, so you've got that Jasper cabin scene that we saw earlier. Very beautiful colors. Got your weekly headers, enough for 4 weeks. Page flags, the smaller deco stickers. Those are my favorite. And then quarter boxes, half boxes, headers. Really love these colors. Very wintry, cozy theme. Beautiful. I love this. All right, so we're going to get into day 4. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting that. It is the coaster, the gold coaster. Darn, now I wish I had bought the mouse pad to go with it. Let's open it up. So pretty. So I have the, I think it's called the Moonshine coaster that was in the winter box maybe. So very cute. I'm just gonna put my little Christmas tree on top of that. Okay, oh, and then we get some washi. So you've got like that gold holographic. Not sure how you call that, but there appears to be 3 different sizes. So let's see. And then depending on how much washi we get here, I may try to swatch it out at the end. These are so hard to open. Okay. They're all stuck together, but there you go. So this is probably a 15 millimeter, 5 millimeter, maybe a 3, not certain. I should know this better than I do, but yeah, we get three washies. Okay, so now for day number 5. There's more washi in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Okay, it looks like we're gonna do some washi swatching at the end here. But oh my gosh, I think she had these in the shop. These are the passport stamps. So all of the passports, essentially I'm thinking that she's done in the past, she put them on a roll of stamps. I'm excited to swatch this one out. Okay, and then you get that winter cabin scene. So the passport washi, stunning. And then these look to be like scalloped and in that real pretty, like, I don't know, it's almost like a brownish lilac maybe. Very pretty. And then this looks like the heart scalloped washi in white. So very nice. Okay, so we'll end up swatching these out at the end. Okay, so last one for this video, day number. Yay, I salvaged it. Oh my gosh, it's an album. Okay, this feels like acetate, and if you used to subscribe to her subscription boxes in the past, maybe like a year ago, she used to put these in there to do like a B6 for B6 planners, and you just kind of slide it into the strings, and it could be like a cover to B6, and so you get 3 of them. So it looks like this is maybe rose gold, this is silver, and then this is the gold bows. My favorite, of course, being the rose gold. These are pretty. I've repurposed these in the past for a mini happy planner. I just literally cut it in half and then punch it, and it fits perfectly in a mini happy planner size. Oh, and then we get an album. I love this color. It's very pretty. I wonder what she's calling it. I didn't see like a, you know, like a card detailing it. A little dirty on the back, but no big deal. Same color on the inside. It's almost like a very light latte color, perhaps, with gold hardware. D-ring. So pretty. I love it. Okay, so day 6 is an album. and acetate covers. We got a full sticker kit and passport, washi. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I counted that right. Some post-it notes, deco sheets, and a journaling card. And last but not least, the gold coaster. And I will swatch these out and be right back. Okay, so I have swatched out the washi that came in the Simply Gilded Advent Days 1 through 6. And I'll go ahead and just show you real quick those rolls. And here is my swatch book. And first up is that very glittery holographic bow washi. And then this is the glitter overlay with the gold bows. And this one's really hard to see, but it's white, scalloped with the hearts punched out. I think you can kind of see it there. And then you've got that really pretty, like, I don't know, I want to call it like a coffee latte brown in the 2 different sizes of the scalloped. And then you've got your passport washi stamps. They have that perforation just like a stamp. And you've got Hong Kong, Kenya, San Francisco, New York City, Sydney, Rome, London, and Paris, and then it starts over. And then you've got that snowy cabin passport washi. This was the scene that you saw on the passport that came in the box. So there you have it.